This is the Corps of Signals, marching contingent led by Captain Tanya Shergill, a fourth-generation army officer. The motto of the Corps, Tivra Chaukas, which means swift and secure.
These are the first of the marching contingents, the Parachute Regiment, led by Major Nikhil Kumar Maurya. They are better known as Red Devils or Paras. The Red Devils never walk in a parade. They are always on the double, which goes to show the high fitness levels that are required to be a para. They are chanting, "Hum Bharat ke veer aur hum apne desh ke rakshak, jati bhed bhav ko mitaye." Following Sangeeta Kumari is the human pyramid, riding majestically in front of the saluting days is the amazing display of daring. Pushing the limits of machine and human endurance are 21 women daredevils on 5 motorcycles, making a human pyramid. Assistant Sub-Inspector Anita Kumari VV leads the formation. And the national tricolour proudly unfurled as the Desh Ke Rakshak move gently past.
Produced in India.
और त्रिशूल के बाद आकाश में 3 चिनूक हेलीकॉप्टर्स विग फॉर्मेशन में। पहली बार चिनूक हेलीकॉप्टर्स गणतंत्र दिवस परेड में। ग्रुप कैप्टन सिद्धार्थ रावत की कमान में, उनके साथ बाकी 2 हेलीकॉप्टर्स में विंग कमांडर राहुल शर्मा और विंग कमांडर प्रशांत उनियाल। 180 किलोमीटर की रफ्तार और 100 मीटर की ऊंचाई पर।
Leader is Group Captain Siddharth Rawat, commanding of the 126 helicopter flight. The other formation members are Wing Commander Rahul Sharma and Wing Commander Prashant.
The excitement building up in the crowd as the fly past is well on its way. The next formation will be comprising 5 state-of-the-art precision attack Apache helicopters. They have provided the Indian Armed Forces a significant edge against the enemy in the battlefield. The formation will be led by Group Captain Mannat Shailu, Commanding Officer 125 Helicopter Squadron. The captains of the other 4 helicopters are Group Captain Ashok Kumar, Wing Commander Kshitij Awasthi, Wing Commander Indumeet Singh and Wing Commander Praveen Sarathi. Versatile helicopter capable of firing air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles.
अपाचे हेलीकॉप्टर्स जिन्हें हाल ही में वायुसेना में शामिल किया गया है। और अब डॉनियर फॉर्मेशन, इस फॉर्मेशन की कमान संभाली है ग्रुप कैप्टन निशित ओहरी ने। बाकी 2 विमानों में विंग कमांडर नीलेश दीक्षित और विंग कमांडर करण डोगरा।
Absolutely spectacular, and now peeling off in 3 different directions. The Trishul formation in the sky. And now a befitting salute to the motto of the